Hi everyone, hope you are safe. I'm Glacy Sunny. My roll number is 418 and my topic is Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation. According to Carl Pearson's, coefficient is applicable when the variables are measured in a quantitative forms. But in some cases, in the case of beauty, knowledge or intelligence, we can't measure the coefficient. In this case, the rank correlation is used. Rank correlation means correlation obtained from the ranks. Here, the ranks are given to the individuals or variables in some order, and the correlation obtained from the rank is called rank correlation. Spearman have devised a formula known as Spearman's rank correlation coefficient to find the coefficient from the rank. This is a formula derived by the Spearman to find the coefficient correlation from the rank. P equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. Here P is the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. D is the difference between the two ranks of each observation. I already said that here we give rank to the variables or individuals, and the difference between the rank is denoted by D. N is the number of observations. So the equation is P equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. The steps to find the rank correlation. I make it as written as in steps. The first step to find the correlation. The first step is find the rank for each individual subject. We have to find we have to give the rank to the variables or subjects. For ranking, we have to order the score from the greatest to the smallest and give the rank first to the highest score and second rank to the next highest and so on. So we have to arrange the values, the individuals variables from the highest to smallest. The first rank is given to the highest one and the second to the next and so on. The next step is add a third column D. The D is the difference between the ranks. So after finding the ranks, we have to find the difference between these ranks, and it is denoted by D. Step 3, square the D value. Just square, we find out the D and square the D, and the fourth step, add up all the D squared value. Sum up all the D squared value, and the last point, insert the value into the formula. So here first we have to rank the individuals, next find the difference between the individuals, square the difference, sum up or add up all the difference and put it in the formula. We can move to a simple problem. Example 17. Here the ranks are already given. So we don't have to find out the ranks. The ranks are already given. We have to find out the difference between the rank, which is D and D square. So here in the case there are 10 individuals. Ranks are given. So we have to find add a third column, which is D, difference. In this problem, the difference is 6 minus 1, 5, 8 minus 6, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, and same as all. So the D is, we find out the D, then square the D, 5 square 25, 2 square 4, 0 square 0, 7 square 49 and so on. Then the next step is to sum up or add up all the D square. So here it is 176 and we get all the values, which is D square, and we have already know that n is 10. There are 10 variables. So just put it all the values in the formula, which is 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. Here sigma d square is equal to 176. So 1 minus 6 into 176 divided by n equal to 10. So n square equal to 100. So 10 into 100 minus 1, and the value is 0.0 minus 0.07. So it is a simple problem because the ranks are already given. We just have to find out the difference d, d square, and sum up sigma d and put it in the formula. In the next case, in example 18, it is same as example 17. The ranks are already given. We have to find out the nearest approach of the judges to the common taste in the beauty. So in the same case, we have to compare the coefficient of these judges, and the smallest one is the nearest approach to the beauty. Here, the first and third judges' coefficient is the highest similar or nearest approach to the common beauty. The same way this problem is done, the ranks are given. We have to take the judges. First judge, second, then next first and third, then second and third. Find out the correlation, compare the correlation, find out which one is nearest to the approach. In the example 19, there is a difference. We have to find out the rank. The variables are given, but we have to find out the rank. In the above two cases, the ranks are already given. We have to find out the difference, but here we have to arrange them in the highest from the smallest and find the rank. Then similar, find the difference and d square. So I already said that for ranking, we have to order the score or the variable from the highest to the smallest. The rank first or rank 1 is given to the highest variable or score, and second rank is given to the second highest one, and so on. So in example 19, as in the case of poverty, the 17 is the highest value, so we give first rank to the 17, and 16 is the next highest, so give second rank and arrange them as per the rank. And find out the difference between these ranks d and find the d square and put it in the formula. So here the difference is we have to find out the rank. In the above two cases, the ranks are already given, but in here we have to find out the rank. The first rank is given to the highest value, and the second rank is given to the next highest one, and so on. Next is repeated rank or tie in rank. In repeated rank or tied rank, the two or more variables have the same rank. In the above cases, there is one rank for one variable, but here two or more variables have the same rank. When the value is repeated in one or both the series, rank correlation coefficient is obtained using the formula. Here is given a formula. In the case of repeated rank, the formula is 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus m cube minus m by 12, all divided by n into n square minus 1. Here m stands for the number of times each value repeated. I already said that more than one variable have the same rank. So m is the number of times each value repeated. So let's move to a problem. In example 20, there are 10 variables are given. We have to rank the variables. Here the 75, 64 and 68 are occurring more than one times. So here the ranks are repeated. So we have to find out m cube minus m. Here the rank correlation cannot be used. Here we have to find out m cube minus m, which is the number of the times it is repeated. In the case of 75, 75 occur in 2 times. So the m is 2. And we have to put in the formula m cube minus m. That means 2 cube minus 2, which is 8 minus 2 equal to 6. The next is 64. 64 occurring 3 times, so the m equal to 3. So m cube minus m equal to 3 cube minus 3, which is 27 minus 3 equal to 24. And 68 occurring 2 times, so m equal to 2. M square m cube minus m equal to 2 cube minus 2, which is 6. So here there are the three items have repeated. So we have to total the m cube minus m, which is 6 plus 24 plus 6 equal to 36. So we got all the values. In the similar case, we have to find out the d and d square. The difference here is we have to find m cube minus m. So we get all the values that put it in the formula. 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus m cube minus m by 12 divided by n into n square minus 1. And here 1 minus 6 into d sigma d square we already filed out, which is 72 plus 36. The total of m cube minus m is 36, all divided by 12, but here divided by 12 and whole divided by n. Here is the number of variable is 10, so the 10 square is 100, so 10 into 100 minus 1. So the coefficient of correlation is 0.545. So here the more than one variable have the same rank. In this case we have to find out m cube minus m. Maybe here we have a doubt, which is I already said that the highest value given the first rank. Here 80 is the highest value, so we give the first rank. Next highest value is 75, but the 75 occur in 2 times. So we found the average of rank 2 and rank 3, which is 2.5. That is why we given the rank 2.5 to the value 75. So we take the average of 2 and 3. Next rank is 4. The 4 is given to the next highest rank, next highest value, which is 68. So sometimes we have a doubt. So I repeat, the first rank is given to the highest value, which is 80. The second highest one is 75, but here there is 275. The 75 occur in 2 times. So we have to find the average of 2 and 3, which is 2.5. So the 75, the rank is 2.5. So first rank, second rank and third rank is given, and next is fourth rank, which is given to 68. The next is 64, which occur in 3 times. So the fifth, sixth and seventh rank, we have to find out the average of fifth, sixth and seventh rank, that is 6. That is we give the sixth rank to the 64. I repeat, the 80 is the highest value, so we give the first rank to 80. Next is 75. 75 occur in 2 times, so we find the average of second rank and third rank, which is 2.5. Next is 68, so fourth rank is given to 68. Next the highest value is 64. Here 64 occur in 3 times. So we have to find the average, which means the middle of 5th rank, 6th rank and 7th rank. The average is 6, which is the middle term. So 6 is given to 64. And find out the m cube minus m. and the difference d square, I'll put it in the value, put it in the formula. So I think, hope it is clear. We studied the rank correlation. Rank correlation means correlation obtained from the rank. Spearman's devised a formula which is 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1, and in a problem we find out the difference between the rank, square the d, sum up the d squared value and put it in the formula. But in some cases, when the same value have more than one value have same rank, we use the different formula, which is 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus m cube minus m divided by 12, all divided by n into n square minus 1. M cube minus m is the number of times each value repeated. So thank you. Hope it is clear.